Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to manage notifications in Rocket Money. So the Rocket Money lets you control which notifications you receive, whether they are sent as push notifications to your device or by email. So you can customize alerts so you stay informed without being overwhelmed. So actually guys, to manage notifications in the mobile app, you will need to open the Rocket Money app, and also guys, you will need to proceed to the dashboard, right? So you will need to pick a bank account first. Okay, so for me, my Capital One bank is blocked currently, so I'm not going to be able to show you the exact steps, but I'm going to be specific on my explanation. So actually guys, you will need just to go and tap on the settings or the gear icon that's located at the upper left corner here, and then you will find an option that says notifications and alerts, right? So you can see it on me. So now guys, just go ahead, or on my side, so guys, go ahead and tap on that option and scroll to the preferences section, then just turn push and email notifications on or off for categories such as the alerts, that's or that one is important, or the important account and pending notifications for it, and updates for the products, updates in the account informations, and tips for the budgeting advice and future recommendations. So your changes are saved automatically afterward. So the types of notifications that you can receive, and depending on your settings, the Rocket Money can notify you about low account balances, large or unusual transactions, duplicate charges, subscription price increases, upcoming bills and recurring payments, budget updates, and the product news and helpful tips. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.